So many of you sent us pictures of the ring around the moon last night. The phenomenon is called a halo moon. It's caused by ice crystals in certain cloud formations. So while it does not predict wintry weather, it does need cold weather to make it happen. Meteorologist Chris Michaels writing about this topic extensively on WRAL.com to search Ask the Meteorologist. And we're in the WRAL Severe Weather Center with meteorologist Elizabeth Gardner. And you were surprised that people hadn't seen this before.
I was. Have you seen this before, Ken?
I have.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
I guess maybe it's because we come to work so early in the morning that we see this. So this is formed by ice crystals that are in high, thin clouds. And when the moon shines through those ice crystals, it creates this ring around the moon. So it does happen fairly often in the wintertime, even if we don't have a storm system coming our way. So we can't use that as the only indicator of a storm. But here's an indicator. We do have winter alerts, winter weather advisory in effect for our northern counties. And that does include Durham County and Orange County as well. We could see up to an inch of snow. And in some places that could be a little heavier, especially if you're right up near the Virginia line. So we're going to walk you through what some of those totals could look like. Here's the system right now, bringing a lot of rain to the deep south. This cold front will be dry, swinging through. It's going to drop some extra cold air on us this evening and overnight tonight. That will set the stage for this wintry precipitation. We're going to walk through it with temperatures and precipitation together. So it's a lot to see, but it really helps to tell the story really nicely. At midnight, we'll start to see some rain pushing in, but temperatures will still be above freezing. By the time we get to 2 a.m., we're dropping close to freezing up around South Hill and Roxborough, and that's when we start to see the changeover. The big question is, how far will the cold air make it? Probably Durham, but probably not Raleigh. And I mean, it's not that far from Durham to Raleigh, but that's probably where the line's going to set up. 32 in Durham at 7 a.m., plenty of snow to the north, but in Wake County, it's likely to be a mix because it just won't get cold enough. So some snow mixing with rain, sleet, and freezing rain. Rocky Mount, same story, probably not going to see it. And then as we get closer to 10 and 11, the precipitation tapers off. Temperatures remain chilly, and then our best chance of precipitation is down south and east as a cold rain for the rest of the afternoon. What are the chances of an inch of snow? This version of Futurecast says, hey, 30 to 50%. I really feel like, maybe there's some spots that have a pretty good chance up near the Virginia line. We're trending this morning with a faster arrival of the precipitation closer to midnight, and then that wintry mix could develop around the triangle of snow to the north with as much as an inch. We take a look at our temperatures. Today, not so bad. We're seeing some increasing clouds with a high of 56, but then dropping down close to freezing in some places tonight with a high tomorrow of only 37. It's going to be a really messy WRAL weather alert day. We are trending a little bit drier, fortunately for Saturday and Sunday, and highs will be back into the 50s.
All right.